Hello everyone, and in front of me is TCL 405, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select Accounts, and click on Add Account. Now select Google. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any other network. And now provide your email address or phone number. In my case, it's email address. And okay, so I mistype it here. Okay, so now it's entered properly. Tap on next then. And here it's time to enter the password. I will do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. Here you can decide if this device belongs to you, so it's the first option, or to your child, and it's for the second one, but let me set it up for myself. And now here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and Privacy Policy. If you do agree with everything, just click on I agree. And here you've got all Google services, except if you do confirm the selection. And here it is. As you can see, your account has been added. You can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.